Welcome to Onyx Food Hill. Happy New Year. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare achi soup. So achi is a very common soup prepared among the southeastern people in Nigeria. If you're looking for a very quick and easy soup to make using a very simple thickener, so you can try out achi. Achi is an excellent thickener used in many soups, stew and sauces preparation. So here on this table I have some few ingredients which I'll be using to prepare achi soup. So basically I'll be using goat meat and other parts of meat such as the turtle and cow skin as well, and also I'll be using stockfish, smoked fish, blended pepper, ground crayfish, chopped onions, and my favorite thickener achi. And also I'll be using uziza leaves, ogiri. This is very flavorful in soup. And also I'll be using some seasoning cubes. So you can decide to take out some of the ingredients or you increase more if you want. So simply let's go straight to the point. So right away, to make achi soup, bring your assorted meat into a pot and also add the stockfish. I know some people cook stockfish before meat, but I really don't have enough time, so I have to combine all the meat together. Once you've added that, add your pepper. You can use dry pepper, but I use scotch bonnets. Add some chopped onions. So I'll be leaving some onions behind. I'll use that later. Then add 2 seasoning cubes to the meat. You know, you really want the soup to taste good. That's why you're adding 2 seasonings to it. Also add half teaspoon of salt to the meat. So once you've added all the seasonings, add just about half cup of water to the meat. Then cover the lid and bring it to a boil. But just before you cover it, stir it so that all the ingredients will combine. So after the meat has been cooked for about 20 minutes, the water must have gone down. Then you can add 1 cup of water to the meat and cook it to become soft completely. This might take about 15 minutes. So at this point, the meat is cooked. You can add more onions if you choose to. That's optional. Then you also add this traditional ingredient, which is ogiri. This ingredient is very unique in soups like achi soup. It makes soup flavorful and tasty. Also the ground crayfish. And also the smoked fish. You know, it wasn't added initially because you didn't want it to break down in the soup. So before you add your fish, you make sure you remove all the bones. So once you've added all this, you stir the soup, then you taste for salt and seasoning. If it needs more seasoning, you can adjust. So to this, I'll just be adding in just 1 seasoning cube. You can also add pepper if you wish, but I think the soup is spicy enough, so I won't be adding pepper anymore. Then you also need to add in about 2 cooking spoons of palm oil to the soup. Then you can stir the soup to combine. Then bring it to a boil for about 10 minutes. So at this point, you are sure the soup is rich and tasty and everything is well mixed together. So you can now add about 2.5 tablespoons of achi to the soup. Or you can add more than that until you are able to achieve your preferred consistency. Just the way you use corn flour to thicken sauces or stew. We also use achi to thicken simple soups like this, and mostly vegetable soups. If the soup appears too thick, you can add a little water to it to adjust the consistency. However, if you are happy with the consistency, you can leave the soup to cook for just 5 minutes before you add the vegetables. So after 5 minutes, you come back to the soup and stir. You can also test again to know the taste of your soup. Once you are happy with that, add the vegetables. You're not going to add much vegetable, just to garnish the soup. That's all you want. Then you can now stir the soup and leave it to cook for another 5 minutes. And now achi soup is ready. You can put off heat and serve it. So guys, we are basically done cooking achi soup. I told you this was very simple. You can serve achi soup with any of your favorite swallow, such as pounded yam, semolina, or eba. Let me know what you think about achi soup, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Stay tuned.